So it has been for quite some time now. Everybody has said, yo, Spice, are you in a relationship? Spice, are you involved? Spice, are you with anybody? People always ask Spice them questions and Spice always a dodge to answer them. You understand what I say? But people know Spice has shown off her new boyfriend allegedly. I don't know if it's true or what, but Spice has shown off this brother up on social media and I say is our man, people. That we are going to talk about right in another video here. Don't go nowhere.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop you. You unstoppable, so now we are trained.
Welcome back, viewers. If you are not yet a part of the Unstoppable family, please consider clicking the subscribe button and the notification bell. So once we upload a video, you will get that alert. So people, before we jump into the Spice topic, more want to show what going on with the JOP family. So people, Idonia is officially the face of Ganja in a Jamaica. But we call it what it really is, yeah. Cannabis. Yes, Idonia is officially the face of cannabis in a Jamaica, as Idonia was recently signed to be the ambassador for the company that is called Epicon in Jamaica.
Hey, money.
As a youth growing up, you know, we're always in love with the marijuana plant, you know, growing up, and if you see the stages, you know, we've been through to where it's at right now, isn't it? It's a great vibe and a great look, as we all know over the years, you know how that
Money.
That task, you know, was, you know, and how people view the plant and view the whole thing, and to see where it reach right now, you know, whole heap of greats fight for wait there right now, you know. Peter Tosh has a name where stand up for the plant and show you the greatness of the plant, you know, not just on the smoking level but on the medical level. It's a great look for the plant, for Epicon, for Jamaica, and it's a great look for Idonia. So the merger means a lot to me, you know, if you see the whole stages of everything where you go through and to wait there right now, and we just look forward to greatness. Straight.
There has always been a great relationship between cannabis and Jamaican music over the years. In order for us to achieve our aspirations as a big brand, not just in Jamaica, we have to form great partnerships. And when we look in the music right now, we look for creativity, we look for distinctivity, we look for that charismatic personality. And in Idonia, we find somebody who really loves the plant and has been an advocate for the medicinal benefits throughout the years. So for us, it's a great and mutual relationship, and that's why we are going on this journey.
Yes, it's a good look for Idonia, so big up yourself, my general, and becoming the ambassador, the face of Ganja in a Jamaica. So while we're upon JOP, people, Gopanna, yes, Gopanna recently did something so awesome for your mother. Me just have to show you, I'm not even going to tell you no. Watch.
You want to see you say you want to go for your birthday?
I want to go Atlantis.
You want to go where?
Bahamas. I want to go for my birthday.
How you go?
I go Atlantis. Bahamas. Go to the Bahamas.
That's how we like to see it when a son becomes successful. Him treat him mother like the queen she is and give her anything where she want. So big up yourself, Gopanna. That's how we like to see it. And Mama Gopanna, big up yourself too. The man post a picture here in Atlantis and mother sitting in the crown chair. That famous chair here where basically everybody will go to Bahamas once them go to Atlantis. Them have to take a picture in that chair here. So big up yourself, Mama Gopanna too. So people, on the topic again where the baby who was stolen was found, the parents speak out again. People, listen. Oh, you know, just listen to the interview between the parents and when the baby was found.
Best day of my life, man. Can you imagine? After 1 month, never see me, never meet him. And just about now, I'm gonna see him now. Oh yes, man. Feel great, man. Great. Word cannot explain, you know, man.
We are happy to announce that the baby that was stolen on the 9th of January has been found. We confirmed today, based on results coming from our forensic lab, we would have taken some samples from parents and from the suspect and baby and sent to the lab yesterday.
At least I can't sleep now at night. I never used to sleep, you know. Like I take a dose and jump up. I tell you, I feel good, man.
Mommy, this way.
Yeah.
We understand that you had sleepless nights.
Yeah. Excited, good, amazed, everything.
the suspect is presently in custody as pending further investigation. You know, based on a preliminary statement given by the suspect. I mean, it opened a can of worms, and we have a lot more investigation to do. In fact, some of the persons that we would have collected statement from already, we're gonna send back for those persons and get further statements. Based on what we are seeing here, this investigation can spiral out into what we can probably term as a baby stealing.
Some documents have been found there with. We are checking the location where those documents come from.
Then you still see
some passbooks and documents speaking to
registration
and
you know that babies
visitation at clinics and all that, signed by persons purporting to be medical persons, etc. Yeah.
I want to take this opportunity to thank all the people that are persons at RGD for looking out for that lady. Them did a good job. I was so alert to pick up this person. She have information when nobody thinks she have. So I want to thank everybody, and most of all I want to thank God to put the strength in them to think out the box about this person. If this person named my son, that would be the end of the day for me. So I want to thank everybody, all the prayer warrior, the police, especially Denham Town, CIB, everybody near and far. I want to thank them.
Alright people, boy, I don't know. It look like this thing go a little bit deeper than we know, you know. We can't wait to find out what the police uncover. But if them get all them past documents and all them things there, yo boy, I tell you this deeper than where we know people. But make we just wait and find out more now after more is put out to the public. But anyway people, here is the video. I want to click on the video for. This I want to click on this video for. You don't want to know Spice business. But anyway, yes, so Spice posted a video. Well, first of all, Spice posted this picture to our Instagram a couple of days ago, and everybody grab it and run with it. And I say, yo, Spice new man. Yes, I say, because she actually posted the picture. She actually posted the picture with only one single word underneath it: mine. Alright, and then everybody grab it and I say, yo, Spice new man. And then Spice uploaded a video today, just a couple minutes ago. Spice uploaded a video of her and this same guy in the pool have some fun, and Spice captioned the video. You understand? So the caption where Spice put under the video says, my man, I mean now ask him for settling on me like stew chicken in a gravy. Mine, hashtag happy life. So people, after that, everybody and them great grandmother and them grandmother went ballistic in the comment section under Spice video, and people them went in and you have some good people that say good things, you have some people that say bad things. No, you have people that comment and say, Spice, we don't know, say you are the queen of controversy. Right now this is probably a music video you shoot and you just want to get people to start talk about it, so you just put out some things. So people, we don't know, make we see if a music video actually gonna come with that brother in it, no? You understand? Cause true, Spice is actually the queen of controversy. She know how to get people to start talk about her. You see me? So make we just watch and see what go on. If a music video go drop and the brother they go actually in it, and we are going to see the pool scene. Or we don't know, it is possible that Spice actually have a man for true. No, nothing wrong with Spice. Watch out, man. Comment in the comment section and tell me. Share your views with me. You see it on that. Now, people, Footer Hype recently came out this morning and I talk about a bunch of things about dancehall artists. You see it? Listen what Footer Hype have to say.
Yeah, man. You never get up this morning and realize something. You know, say Rihanna, now Beyonce, no act. Them now no act song. Them now have no song I play right now. Them have the most followers, you know. Biggest artists, them internationally. And them now no song. So, I want to know some dancehall artists, you know, we are hype on people, man. I go on like so on top of the world, and wanna try fence over people out of the business, and wanna push the most bad mind and the most ego. Let me just think about that. Beyonce and Rihanna are on a song right now. So what would you feel say? Oh my God. Alright. But no go on, man. The momentary insanity in the deal, you know. You go and watch it now. bad mind, corrupt and hold it and ego and a fight other people. You go wake up one morning and phone in a hat.
So you know something I wonder I could have possibly put a hype attack. I wonder if the person.
You're going on, hold up on new music. Hold up on new video. You know you're gonna big up my fans and genocide, one side, murder, wrong them.
Yes, viewers, there you have it. Don't know already, comment in the comment section, talk to me on all of the topics when I cover in that video, yeah, a whole heap. But I don't remember them. Comment in the comment section and talk to me. Once you say something makes sense, we will definitely respond to you. Yes, so me I say, watch on man, this has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. It's Unstoppable, and I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.